Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL smart TV. So the first thing we want to do is put these headphones into pairing mode, okay? So if you look on the side here, on the one ear cup here, you only have two buttons. You have a multifunction button and a power button / Bluetooth button. This is the only button we're going to use, okay? So first thing we got to do is put this into pairing mode. Now it doesn't matter if your headphones are currently on or off. All you got to do is just press and hold that until this light turns blue, and then it'll pulsate blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. Let's put it into pairing mode. Here's the power button / Bluetooth button here. Press and hold. Ready, set, press and hold. Just keep on holding here. It just turned white. I'm still holding. Okay, now there's the blue. Now I'm going to let go. Now it's pulsating like a slow blue, indicating that this is in pairing mode. Now that it's in pairing mode, now we need to go to the settings on our TCL TV. And if you have this model here with this remote, you can simply tap on the settings button, the gear icon up there, or you can navigate from the TV here. Let me just click on the home button here. And then the top right hand side, you see that gear icon, the settings right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure I move up, up, up. And then I'm gonna go right, right, go all the way to the right till I get the settings right there. Now I'm gonna click on OK. And then from here, we're just gonna go down to remotes and accessories, down, down, right there, remotes and accessories. Click on OK. And now I'm gonna go down to add accessory, okay? Add accessory. Be preparing your devices, please make sure they're turned on discoverable OK. So I'm gonna go to OK here. So these are still in pairing mode, they're still in discovery mode, okay? So it's blinking blue, it's still in pairing mode, and then it should pop up, and there it is, Bose QC Ultra headphones. So I'm gonna go down, down. I'm gonna click on OK. It says pairing right now, and yours will stay, the light will stay blue, blinking blue until it's connected, okay? Now it's asking me to pair it, so I'm gonna click on pair right there. Now the blue just turned white here, and it'll probably turn off, but give it 1 second. Okay, now it says paired right there. And let's give it 1 second here. Okay. Now down below, you can see the Bose QC Ultra headphones, and it says connected down there. So there you go. Now you can go ahead and put these on, and you can watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. All the audio is going to come out of here. Okay, so here's the thing, okay? If you guys could not get it into pairing mode, or you had issues connecting to your TV, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, okay? Good luck, guys.